Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingi. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man, I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people, no just check in with Naya Bingi. Remember me telling you.
Yes, massive. Blessed love and welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, I hope everybody out there do well they see it. Yeah, man, you want to say give thanks to the uprising. Give thanks to the moment. Yeah, man, and give thanks to all the people them who been tuning in. Yeah, man, and I subscribe on them kind of thing. They see it. We do give thanks to all right. Yes, me I say. Yeah, man, so just go and give thanks to your support. Give thanks to life. Yeah. What a week this has been, man. Trust me, this has been a whirlwind of a week. See? First of all, when me hear the rumor come out about CMR differently still, I kind of did want to give him the benefit of the doubt. Because I know how things are differently still, you see it, so I don't really want to jump the gun and start to say some things before we get enough information to confirm some of the rumors them are going to go around. And John Star, the confirmation it not look good on the virgin at all. Yeah. Trust me, it not look good. It not look good no way at all, because even if him go to court, and for whatever reason, him beat the case here, it still not going to look good on the brother. See? And it make me think differently still, like, you see the amount of people what me see talk about the conversation, and the amount of women what me hear I say them a victim, and some of them I say them are almost victims in way though. So this thing here, it got deeper than CMR differently still. So we are going to look on the culture, because there's a culture with them kind of things there, you know. See? You see certain things where amongst with social culture, amongst with social circle, I mean, we allow certain things to happen and it get accepted. And it perpetuates itself throughout generations differently still. See? And it's a nasty thing about the culture. It's a shameful thing about the culture differently still. So it look like we have to go start to redefine what we are called with culture differently still. You know? Because this a thing here where this youth here, name get called upon still, it no look good. See? We have one kind of predator kind of thing about we people them differently still. And everybody stays so. But we can't deny the fact say it's a problem. See? It's a real problem. Because based on what the police reporter say, may I ask some question in my mind, like, you have some children who are pre-teen differently still. See? Pre-teenager. And the parents have some kind of baby monitor. upon them, where them have access to the live videos of what go on in the youth them bedroom. Seen? In the police report, CMR say, allegedly, him going to the youth room several times. And him going to go see the youth a play with herself. And I said, Jano, like, what kind of weird kind of argument them there? Cause watch ya. Me is a man differently still. Me have a boy child live with me. Me have a youth live with me. Seeing a teenage youth. Me never walk in a room. A boy me I talk about you know, me a man. And me no walk in a room just bust in a room so me can't find him in a non-compromising way. Cause me no want to see that. You understand? That's how my mind works. So before me go in a room, me tap on the door. You understand? How comes an adult like that the man they know? I go walk in a one room where full of girl pitney. And him just a bust door and I go in pan the youth them. If him have videos, if him have access to video where him can watch the youth them movement in the place. Is it possible say this man you always watch the youth them and like him a get off they do them kind of things eh? Because the data in the police report say it happened more than once. It happened 6 months prior to what happened now. Plus it went happen already in a winter time last year. So that means if the youth are a 12-year-old now, you talk about the youth are when about 10 and a half or so. Then time there. So may I say what kind of sick meds them people are have up living with children. And how much are them kind of things that the mother did know differently still. And that's one question what I want to find out. How much of it the mother did know? Or how much of it she went a suspect? Because me hear she has say in a sub interview say the youth sick and him need help. And she then talk about marriage counsel. That's why I always implore and emphasize upon the people who listen to me. I always tell my subscriber them say, you see when people talk to you, you have to listen beyond the words what people speak out of their mouth. I have to listen attentively and carefully because these people them tell you about themselves. I always say that. See? Because if she know from them time they I say this virgin is sick and him need help. And she not talk about marriage counsel. Him sick where him need certain kind of help. See? Now, fast forward, we see a interview with the virgin. The two of them, the girl, Chrissy and CMR, them in an interview. And them talk about, you understand, growing up. How they grow up and then kind of sit there. CMR say he was molested as a child. See, so that we go back to what we talk about where we are say about the culture, you know. See, cause them have a saying say hurt people. And sometimes we go through some trauma differently still. And we try to turn the trauma into pleasure. See? That's why you find say one time some little girl get molested from an early age, then get promiscuous. Then lose their self-worth. Them not have no self-esteem anymore and then kind of sitting there. So you find them a behave some lewd kind of way. Sometimes you see some people act out some kind of way, you know. I ask them help, you know, but them don't know how to. See? Because a whole heap of sign we see out there where we know that some people are go through some trauma. And we as a Caribbean people differently still, we go through one whole heap of trauma. And I find say, we perpetrate the trauma them same way too. We relive the trauma in our everyday life. And we traumatize people. You understand? That's why I say, it come down to where hurt people. Me hear the bridging in the interview, I say, him get molested as a child, but at the same time, him never see it as molestation still.
Find me attractive. You understand me?
What you talking about find you attractive? She molest you.
She never molested because I didn't. Once I deem it as molestation, then it is.
He
But
said find me attractive.
She found me attractive. And I never found it. See the thing is, she's forcing me to say that it is molestation. It's not.
You know
it
what?
Is only
Because
when I accept it as molestation.
Jamaican men, when they think that they start from a tender age, it's not molestation, it's man a galison, man a
Yeah.
this stuff. The big woman molest you, sir.
No, me did want it too. Me I touch her up too. So me I show you say, oh is that? Oh, she's gonna tell me I need therapy for that.
Cause him see it as something hip. Cause he's a big woman. Make a pass at him. And to him, it will feel nice. And he will want that to happen same way too. See? And the woman take advantage of it. But watch you now. As me say, these are things that is encouraged amongst the social circle. I mean youth, boom, you the man, you do it. You see it, so you see them kind of things you know. It's a little trauma where the youth live. But in brain now start to recalibrate the trauma and see it as something pleasurable. So you find say them kind of act that we just perpetrate. Where do we see a youth come out, you know? Cornerstone boss. A youth that bravely come out and talk on things that reach him in an early stage as a youth. Other things say them things are unique to the youth. And him alone experience them kind of things as youth. See? You see the things them where you hear CMR talk say, him go through as youth same way. And him alone go through them kind of things as youth same way too. See? Enough of we know them kind of people there. Always one of them there in a community. In a right across the island where everybody knows say, yeah, I bust the youth them. See? But them sitting there have some way how it affect people and them don't know say it affect them. So when the daughter say him really need help, him really need help for sure. See? Cause as me say, most of them things here are some little things were accepted within certain kind of circles differently still. See? And the youth probably a grow up and a see people a behave them kind of way there. And them kind of things they get accepted in our community. Where some big people will have things, use them things and manipulate some little pitney. And I'll impregnate some little pitney same way too. But watch you now. Me see CMR brother step out and him a defend him brother Anna still. See? And ironically, me see a next little daughter step out where them a say she a CMR sister-in-law. See? So, I don't know if I'm wrong, but I assume say the girl how the youth boyfriend girlfriend or the girl the CMR brother is our man. I don't know, I don't get it still. But me just assume me stand corrected. Seeing but me see the two of them come out I defend CMR until the court and the police report come out. You understand? But at the same time, I hear the daughter say she have a youth when time she a 14-year-old. You see? So you know, so some of them people where they bought the place like, you understand? They must suffer from Stockholm syndrome. You see it? So we start to like the abuse and we accept the abuse them and we find a way how to normalize it and make it seem like it's okay. See? If you know what, I don't even want to say it still, because if the youth they differently still. If a female girlfriend and the girl get pregnant when time she are 14. You understand? That kind of questionable still. For you go put your character up on the line for defend a pedo differently still. You understand? Because what kind of man differently still? Go do them kind of things that where CMR deal with. Seeing? What kind of man? You grow a baby and you watch the baby they grow differently still, you see it? Because you see, sometimes them youth here differently still, them start to feel like I say them a superstar around people now, and certain things get normalized. Like where you see happen to the Hollywood star the other day, where he married to his stepdaughter. When people see them things they know and they start to normalize them kind of behavior there and them kind of setting, you see it. So all of them little man they will fool themselves, you know, we feel like I say them a superstar now. Them feel like I say them can do anything same way and get away with it. Because obviously the little girl based upon what she say, you know, the police report. She has said it happens several times and she see him as a good person. Seeing? And she don't want her mother to think say. You understand? I wonder if she ever discussed them things there with her mother, or her mother not give her the time a day for discuss them things, because she too busy being a celebrity, you know. So she not see the sign them and she not listen to the girl. And obviously the girl realized the adorance where, or the adoration where she have for her husband. And maybe she talk them kind of things around her daughter, how much she adore the youth. And she probably talk down the girl father to the girl. See? So it then put the girl in a one like a situation now where she don't know who to talk to because daddy is not around and this man are the man who bring mommy a foreign and make her life change. See? And probably the daughter now I listen to her mother talk bad about her father. So she see CMR as this good person. And she afraid to hurt her mother feelings. Because what she want is just an adult to go and talk to him. But you have adult in the home. Why she not feel safe to go talk to her mother about it? What they go on in the house? I wonder if the girl the differently still. She just get caught up in the glamour life and the whole heap of internet fame and them kind of things there. So she more attentive to the people them who depend the internet more than what they happen within our space. How come she never pick up on them things a long time and know say certain things they happen and the bridging they need for stop. How much of what when they happen in the house she know? How much of it she knew? Because it look weird for you have one predator in your house and you live with your predator and you not see no sign at all. How comes people can depend on the internet and people can point out signs what they must say in our videos what the brethren deal with same way to and when I go back go watch some of the video them where some of the people them point out cause me listen a lot differently still, you know, over the past week differently. You understand? Me listen almost everybody who would cover the story. You understand? And when me hear some people talk some things like what them detecting at some of the videos and them kind of things, some of them vlogs. And when we go back and go watch some of the vlog, them trust me, it really show me say, you understand? The man I just want creep around the people and pit in the eye. Seen? Cause I listen one vlog differently still, and I hear a lady talk about some activity, how the man angle the camera and how him zoom in and them kind of thing there. And when I go back and go watch the video, the man, you understand? Me I tell you differently still. Trust me. As we say differently, people. When we watch people, we must just, you understand, be attentive and we listen attentively same way because them people here, them really a tell we the dark side of themselves, but them try to do it under some little jovial kind of way and them laugh it off and you understand, it come across like something silly or something like a little joke, but the dark truth hidden under the smile or under the laughter. So just that me I say differently still. And for the daughter there in the house and the mother never pick up on certain little things when me hear people a point out differently still. It look like she asleep. Or she probably when see them things there and just a hope say, you understand? And not true, or she just a wish it away differently still, is it? Like she there in some kind of denial. Because she probably so caught up in what they go on in them present life. It would have come in like she don't want to go ruin what they go on between them. But at the same time, it a ruin the youth, you see it, and in the end it might ruin the relationship between the youth and our mother same way too, you know, because if the youth they in a one situation or they in a one environment where she feel like she is not protected, and she probably will talk to the person who she thinks she then did it to protect her, but yet at the same time she blind to the reality because she love her man. So as me I say, people, them things are what we are called culture differently still. We have to really look back upon it, recalibrate all of them things here. And you understand? Because we have a way about we when time we go through trauma as black people, you know. And if you notice, even with the black American them, we see where the N-word was a derogative word one at a time. And now it become a word of endearment amongst man and man. And you find that even coming out with culture same way too. You find where people used to say man a dog, see? And them used to use that as a way of you understand? Disparage man. If you say man worthless or man good for nothing, and you understand? Until you find say man start use them things they now for heal them brethren or for connect with them brethren. Because they call them brethren dog, just like how the American them call themselves each other the N-word. You get what I deal with. So them kind of trauma they we compound with differently still. It's a way where we kind of use the trauma now for become something hip or something normal. And it not just come with words same way too. It come with action same way too. See? Because we have to remember differently still, you know. As I say, the Caribbean black people them, we are come through some serious trauma differently still. And we never get no counseling. We people them, we foreparents and we who come after the post-trauma. Never got through no counseling and none of them kind of things there. So all of them things there, it's written in our DNA. So we continue to perpetrate the same trauma when put upon we or put upon with foreparents. Seeing? And them things that just still continue. So as I say, people, each one have to help one, you know. Because it have to start from somewhere. You see it? And it have to start like all now. Where all of the people them who know say them have them kind of tendency there. You understand? If you no need to get help, you no to seek the help you need. And people in our community them where turn a blind eye to them kind of sitting there. We have to stop do them kind of things differently still. You see it? We have to start to call out the people them in the community them. Protect the children them, protect your youth them same way too. You see it? Because the youth them are the future, you see it? Because the youth them are going to be the next leaders, the next police them, the next judge, the next lawyer, the next scientist, the next everything them go come up take their space in our society. And if we have people in our community are going to destroy their mind and destroy the youth them future differently still. The future for the country now going to look good. The future for the community now going to look good. Seeing? So as I said, I think it really bigger than CMR. So we have to think about the community aspect of it, the cultural aspect of it. Because when I say culture differently still, because culture it not necessarily means everything what we talk about, because we have a way where we kind of misinterpret some of them words here what we are use. Because one time we hear songs like we love our culture and we honor our culture and them kind of thing there. You see it? You see a lot of things within our social circle, what is accepted amongst the social circle and all of we agree upon it, are them things that develop into culture. You see it? Because we just accept it. For whatever reason, we accept the things them with around we and we are, oh, nothing wrong with that, man. And we turn a blind eye, nobody not say nothing. And most time we all blame a little bit of them same way too. I broke out, a man they want and all kind of, you understand? Because we don't understand the root cause. And some of them activity there where you see happen, people are cry for help. Some of the youth them where you see so vicious differently still. You would even know some of the trauma where them little youth they got through. What caused them to turn to the way how them turn in a life. And then society have to wreak whatever them youth there. I saw out in that society. You see, because the youth them are got through trauma. Not even youth alone, but big people same way too. Them are got through trauma because the amount of women what me hear over the week I say them are victim of this thing. It's surprising to me differently still. Because if so much women are go through them things, that means it's a silent, accepted thing. And because of how we culture stay differently still, where we now go deal with the youth them, the man youth them, the boy pitney them. You see, if them come out and talk some of the things where them go through same way too, we go start to tear them and start to diss them and call them all kind of things. So we victimize the victim them. So that's why people are afraid to come out and say some things. But when you see the action or how them behave, you know so them a cry out for help. Because them been through some things. People, and go and bless upon yourself. Take care on a family. Protect on your loved ones. Women, you see when time you have on a children, you be careful of the man them wanna invite now in a life. And make them share the same space with the youth them. You have to start do some serious vetting before you accept some people rounding on a circle. You understand? So we can have better outcome and better generation, and you understand, people start to heal and start to live better and feel better. So just give thanks to the moment. Go and bless up their themselves. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Like and share the video with your friend them. Until the next video, I'm out. Rastafari left.